Alright, y'all, welcome back to your girl channel. I know I'm looking a mess right now, but as you already know, it is Heavenly Brown's Beauty Supply, guys. And your girl has added some new wigs to her collection, and your girl is coloring now. So, if you want to see how I got this gorgeous Cajun spice mixed with cinnamon, well, I'm sorry, not cinnamon, but ginger, y'all, ginger, on this 18-inch 13 by 4 frontal wig. Just stay tuned. And y'all, she is for sale. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. I'll see y'all on the next one. Alright guys, we're going to get right into this. Your girl has her new 613 wig line that will be coming out, that your girl will be coloring most of the wigs pre-hand. If you aren't already, you definitely want to be following me on Instagram at heavenly_browns_beauty_supply. Right now I'm showing you the inside of the wig though. This is what the frontal wigs will look like. I also sprayed about 3 layers of Got To Be freeze spray on the inside so that while I'm dyeing this wig that I don't get too much dye on it, because it's kind of unavoidable really to not get a little bit of color on the lace when you're dyeing your wigs. So I try to make it as minimal as possible. So I spray the freeze spray that seals the knots, and it also puts like a barrier between the hair and the lace when I'm doing the color. So it definitely helps. So if you've ever had a big huge problem with trying to dye your wigs and you are getting colored all over your lace, try that. But this only works though when you're coloring it by hand. Doing it with the watercolor method, of course the water is just going to dissolve the freeze spray. And these are the 2 colors though that your girl is going to be using, which is ginger and Cajun spice. I'm going to be parting out some sections in the front for the style that I'm going to be doing the wig in. It's fall season, so you know your girl had to go with the fall colors and the fall highlights. Try to get you guys as close as possible to see this, because it's going to be in a kind of a updo, half up, half down type look, which I thought was just absolutely perfect for the color, the way that I'm about to color the hair with the different highlights that are going to be through it. But here I'm just sectioning off the front. Sorry guys, I'm all in the damn camera right now. I'm trying to make sure I'm getting this right. But I'm not going to talk much through this video. I'm just going to let you guys see everything that I'm doing. Unfortunately, I kept having to stop because my family is so annoying. They were in the living room just messing with me to the utmost. But let's get back into this video. Alright, so I'm about to start sectioning this off. I know you guys are looking like, wait, but you're parting it halfway. So what I'm doing is I guess you kind of say not a triangle, yeah, I guess half of a triangle type parting on the wig, where as much as possible, of course, because as I said, this is a frontal wig. So if it was a full closure, full lace wig, then I'll be able to do the full triangle part on it. So this is going to be a little bit off, but that's the method I was going with. As far as with the highlights in the hair for the ginger, because it's going to be Cajun spice on the bottom and the Cajun spice at the top, and then like a thick strip, not really thick, but a strip going in a diagonal from each side of the ginger, and then of course the two strips in the front are going to have the ginger. But of course, you guys are going to see me do all of this. So just continue to watch. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe to your girl's channel. I have more fall season hair color videos coming to you guys as this fall season progresses. I might even do a breast cancer type of a color towards one of the wigs. Let me know if that is something you guys would like to see in the comments below. Don't forget to like and make sure your notifications are on so you can see all these videos coming up for the fall season. And your girl has a surprise coming as well. I will let you guys know in a little bit later. All right, y'all. So I have finished coloring the wig, as you guys can see. You see the ginger highlight in the front. I'm getting ready to style this. I jumped to this part though because I'm like, okay, you guys have seen people dye hair quite often. So I just said, you know what, I'll just do a little bit of the dyeing and then just get right into the styling of this hair. And as you guys can see how the ginger came out in the other sections of the hair. Looks super cute. Listen guys, I absolutely love this color. I almost was tempted to keep this wig for myself, but she is available for purchase. If you would like to purchase her, I will leave my email down in the description below so you guys can go ahead and just send your girl an email and let me know that you want the invoice for her, and I will gladly go ahead and get it sent over to you guys. The price for this particular wig, due to the coloring that I did have to do on her, and she is an 18-inch frontal wig made with the sewing machine method. Her price is going for $425. So if you are wanting to go ahead and do so, definitely send your girl an email and we can get the invoice set up. If you're looking for some type of a financing for it, I do have the PayPal credit available as well for all purchases over $99. But I am going to continue to style this. I'm just trying to kind of mold the ponytail right now with the Lotta Body foam spray. Listen, I love this foam, guys. It is the absolute best when it comes to especially working with my wigs because it's not that heavy, but it gets the style done. All right, y'all. So I've gotten the ponytail about as good as I'm going to get it right now. I'm going to start to flat iron her because she is a little puffy. using the Chia Silk Infusion Oil. Guys, when I say this little bottle right here is everything. Get you a good flat iron and this silk infusion, and I promise you, you will not have any issues with getting your hair straight. She's a little puffy, so that's definitely why one of the reasons that I'm going for a little straighter look, more silky. I'm just going to go ahead and section her off and continue to flat iron her. And I told you guys, if you stick around, you're going to have a surprise. So you guys know I tend to have a bubbly attitude and silly sometimes in some of my videos when I'm doing things. And my boyfriend decided that he wanted us to have our own channel to show more of a goofy side of me, get more of my personality out there outside of just me doing my everyday normal, of course, wigs and any reviews that I might be doing, of course, on this particular channel. So our channel will be called Lala and Swish. You guys can go ahead over and actually subscribe to it now. Turn on your notifications because we will start dropping videos soon. But your girl here is just going to go ahead and continue with finishing out flat ironing this wig and getting her gorgeous. Don't forget, if you have not already, subscribe to this channel. Leave your girl a comment on any new colors that you want to see for the fall season on any upcoming wigs, because there will be more parts to this as well. So I will see you guys in the next one. Your girl is about to finish this up for real. And here is the finishing look. She is gorgeous. Y'all have a great night. Bye.